We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel. In today's video, we will unbox this MIBAO D100 IP camera. So without further ado, let's begin. First, I'll just quickly show you how the whole box and all its sides look like. Now let's open it real quick. Here in the box kit, you'll get the charging adapter or charging brick. Here are its specifications, electrical specifications, if you are interested in them in any way. Here is the charging wire. That's the very, well, now I wanted to say default, but by modern standards, this wire is kind of outdated. That's the USB to micro USB wire. So yeah, not the best one. Here we have some kind of cape to screw it on top of camera, where the screws and other elements of it are, just to hide some stuff you do not want to be visible. Now in the packaging you'll also get 2 screws and 2 dubels. I'm not sure how those things are properly called in English, so excuse me, but I guess if you know, you know. Now here is the beautiful IP camera itself. That's what it looks like. Here are the rubber legs that it can stand on. Here you also have the, well, thing you can screw the screws in. Well, something like that. And here's the manual, or yeah, just the manual. Here you have the customer service details, the product diagram, parts names, and the setup instructions. Pretty classic thing to have. And well, as you can see, that's about it. Nothing else pretty much lays there. So I guess that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.